2 in the straight line to wealth is setting up your team. Before you think about buying property, you need to have a really good team around you. Who makes up the team? It's an accountant, a broker, conveyancer, and a mentor. And that was my team when I started investing. Today I'm going to talk about accountants. Everyone knows accountants, everyone uses accountants. Some of the biggest mistakes financially that have been made for myself personally would have been from my accountant had I not checked their work. So let's talk about accountants, be really specific. Think about doctors. There's foot doctors, eye doctors, elbow doctors, knee doctors, heart doctors. Doctors specialise in separate areas, and everyone understands that. What people don't understand is accountants specialise in specific areas exactly like doctors do. But many say they can do everything, like a GP, but they're not specialists when it comes to property investing. There's very few accountants who understand true property investing. Very few accountants invest in property themselves or deal with clients with large portfolios. So you wouldn't let a foot doctor operate on your eyes. Don't let a general tax accountant or a business accountant manage your property portfolio taxation position. So understanding the taxation position that you're going to be in once you start investing and ensuring you have property investment analysis documents worked out and reviews done on any property you purchase is required before you buy the property. And that way you know financially exactly where you're going to be in the sense of cash flow, debt, and risk. So think about accountants. The next one we're going to hook into is conveyancers.